Greetings, travelers. Welcome to another exciting episode on Traveling Kangaroo. We're your go-to source for exploring the world's unique travel destinations, soaking up diverse cultures, and living unforgettable experiences. From bustling cities to serene landscapes, we've got you covered. And today we're setting our sights on a place nestled in the heart of America, a place that's as rich in history as it is in natural beauty. Today, we're hopping over to South Dakota, the land of great faces and great places. South Dakota is home to the iconic Mount Rushmore. This remarkable monument, carved into the granite face of Mount Rushmore, showcases the visages of 4 U.S. presidents: George Washington, Thomas Jefferson, Theodore Roosevelt, and Abraham Lincoln. It represents more than just the men it depicts. It's a symbol of the nation's history and its core values. Conceived by sculptor Gutzon Borglum, it took 14 years to complete. This colossal tribute serves as a reminder of the indomitable spirit of America. Mount Rushmore is a tribute to the nation's history etched in stone. Next stop, the stunning Badlands National Park. Picture a landscape that's a testament to nature's artistry, a terrain shaped over millions of years by wind and water. The park is a spectacle of layered rock formations, deep canyons, towering spires, and expansive grasslands. But the Badlands isn't just about geological wonders. It's also a haven for wildlife. Bison, bighorn sheep, and prairie dogs call this place home, and for those with a taste for adventure, the park offers miles upon miles of hiking trails, each one revealing a different facet of the park's rugged beauty. Whether you're a nature enthusiast or a casual traveler, the Badlands invites you to explore, to discover, and to be awed. Badlands National Park is truly a rugged beauty, truly a rugged. From the natural to the man-made, let's visit the world's only corn palace. Nestled in Mitchell, South Dakota, the Corn Palace tells a colorful history, dating back to the late 19th century. The architecture itself is a sight to behold, with murals made entirely of corn and other grains. Each year, these murals undergo a transformation, redecorated to fit a new theme. An emblem of the state's rich agricultural heritage, the Corn Palace is a testament to South Dakota's agricultural heritage. Now let's rev up for the Sturgis Motorcycle Rally. Held annually in South Dakota's Black Hills, this 10-day extravaganza draws hundreds of thousands of motorcycle enthusiasts from all over the world. It's a spectacle of chrome and leather, featuring concerts, races, and bike shows. The rally embodies a unique culture of camaraderie, freedom, and of course, the love for two wheels. It's not just a rally, but a communal celebration of motorcycling. The Sturgis Motorcycle Rally is a roaring celebration of freedom and motorcycles. Next, we ascend to the heights of Elk Peak. This majestic summit, nestled in the Black Hills, beckons hikers with its panoramic vistas and rich history. The trails weave through pristine wilderness, providing a journey as rewarding as the summit itself. Once at the peak, the world unfolds beneath you in a sweeping spectacle of natural beauty. Named after a revered Oglala Lakota medicine man, Elk Peak carries a profound spiritual significance for the native people. Elk Peak offers breathtaking views from the state's highest point. Now, let's step back in time in the historic town of Deadwood. Founded during the Gold Rush, this Old West town is steeped in history, with landmarks like Saloon Num 10, where Wild Bill Hickok met his untimely end. Every year, Deadwood comes alive with reenactments of shootouts and trials, harking back to its lawless past. It's not just a relic, though, with modern casinos and restaurants blending seamlessly with the old. In Deadwood, history comes alive. From one monumental carving to another, let's visit the Crazy Horse Memorial. Launched in 1948, this colossal monument in the Black Hills of South Dakota is an ongoing testament to the Native American hero, Crazy Horse. Despite its unfinished status, the monument has already surpassed Mount Rushmore in scale. The future holds a complex with a university and medical center, honoring the living heritage of the North American tribes. The Crazy Horse Memorial is a grand tribute to the Native American culture. Next, we're off to the cascading beauty of Sioux Falls. Nestled in the heart of South Dakota, Sioux Falls is a captivating blend of natural allure and urban sophistication. The city's namesake, Sioux Falls, is a mesmerizing spectacle of rushing waterfalls set amidst a sprawling park. Beyond the falls, the city brims with a wide array of attractions, from vibrant art scenes to historical landmarks and a thriving dining culture. Sioux Falls is a vibrant city with natural charm. From the present to the prehistoric, let's explore South Dakota's dinosaur fossils. This state is steeped in paleontological history, with fossil finds dating back millions of years. Museums such as the Museum of Geology and the Mammoth Site offer a glimpse into a world where creatures of enormous size roamed. These fossils not only enrich our understanding of Earth's history, but also captivate the imagination. From Tyrannosaurus to Triceratops, South Dakota is a treasure trove for dinosaur enthusiasts. Finally, we can't talk about South Dakota without mentioning its rodeo culture. The state is steeped in cowboy tradition, with rodeos taking center stage in numerous towns. These events blend thrilling sports with a festival atmosphere, featuring everything from bull riding to barrel racing. But it's not just about the competition, it's about the friendships formed, the community spirit, and the celebration of a lifestyle deeply rooted in South Dakota's history. In South Dakota, the spirit of the Wild West lives on. So that's our journey through South Dakota. From the grandeur of Mount Rushmore to the rugged beauty of the Badlands, the cultural richness of Deadwood to the lively rodeo culture, South Dakota is truly one of a kind. Thank you for joining Traveling Kangaroo on this adventure. Don't forget to subscribe and visit our website travelingkangaroo.com for more travel inspiration. Until next time, keep exploring.